Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at CapCut. CapCut is the most underestimated business tool of 2026 and it costs nothing. I've spent some real time with it, so there are 3 things worth knowing about CapCut. Auto-Captions in 2 minutes. Upload your video, click one button, get accurate captions. Captioned videos average 40% more watch time. This feature alone justifies the install. You've also got my scores. I gave ease of use a 90, features a 90, value for money 100, and support 70. That's about as good as it gets for a video editing tool. Things I genuinely liked. Completely free for everything a small business actually needs. Auto-Captions outperform most paid transcription tools on accuracy, works on both desktop and mobile with full feature parity. What didn't work is I'm giving CapCut a 9 out of 10. If you're serious about video editing, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.